based on Venice in Italy. I've never been to Italy, so there you go. They got a gondola in it and everything. Right, so here's the entrance. Been watching the Juicy vlog and they bought one of them. I think they might have actually bought two. I think they're back in Britain now, look. Had a baby, went back home. And watched them for ages. I need to catch up with their channel, see what they're up to. I don't really watch stuff back in Britain. Let's get in there. And it's Christmas again. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. This might be a bit more easy to walk around.
Time like a river breeze, rolling right on by. Nothing left for me to do, and I'll always laugh. Deep inside this heart of mine,
Really cool. So it looks busy this place because it's the holidays. Sorry. Venice Mall. All the YouTubers I've seen here, not me and myself, and none of them will be watching me. That's where they had the flat, one of them. They had a flat for one of them, the Juicy vlog, just bought it for YouTube money. Shops that way, I think. Shops that way. Just walk around there first and go to shops. That looks like S for Shrek, it is. I don't know. So, is that my thumbnail? Must be what?
It must be the goal.
I'm singing in Venice.
Hindi. Dito tayo dyan. Diyan tayo galing.
Bar. Yung pub. A beer. Yeah, look. Eat, drink. Oh, oh. That looks like it might be a bar. Driving a dinosaur. When did dinosaurs appear in Venice? That is a European, I don't know what European, market out there. We've got beer. Beer. I'm looking for a beer place, a pub. Can't find a pub. All right. I'm not looking for one. ATM that way. Toilet that way. We're looking for a bar. It's changed to a toilet. Oh, there's TGI's. They've been found. You can get a drink in TGI's. Oh, was there a drink? So this is actually bigger than I thought it was. Looks like you're about to sit on the ends of that and get a drink, look. Over the bridge. Yeah, they're expensive, but it won't be too expensive. We're in the Philippines. A pig for dinner. Wait a minute. Right, I'm still here. So a little walk along. It's been nice at night when it's all lit up. It's been nice when it's lit up. Merry Christmas! Right, let's have a look for some beer. Let's go have a look over here for beer. Why did you get beer here? Where'd you want beer? Just beer. No bowls, just beer.
Okay.
Okay. Come in. Is it really?
Sure, it's okay.
Okay.
You can order here.
Okay, thank you. Oh, everybody. There we go, look. You kid. Hello. What's this thing doing? I'm getting a beer. So this is going down. I'll have a beer. Yeah, I'm still walking around this place. Try to find an ATM. Can't one, this doesn't work. It's very difficult getting your money around here. Seems like they don't want to suspend it. They don't want to take on the plane. They won't take a debit card. They don't want to take a credit card. Very strange. Anyway, ATM, got to find one. We've not even been on a gondola. I wanted to, but you know. Dubai chocolate wonders. So these are for pets, dogs and cats. Pets get treated better than humans sometimes. No, and so they deserve to, some humans. That's for a Christmas tree. The size of that. I don't know if you can compare it to the gondolas and the place. Anyway. Right, it's night time now in this place. Let's show you night time. Just been for a meal. Chicken and ribs, very good, very good. Oh dear, absolutely shattered. Right, let's try and go over this bridge. Not too bad, not too bad. Cute to get a photo. Vlog. They put the gondola right down there. I don't know. Got the other side of the Hello! Everybody wave. Nobody wave. I get someone to wave to me. got out to the European market. Let's hope it's better than Glasgow, because it's actually in Europe. Well, old Europe. Probably better. Yeah, we've got to get. You might get knocked over by a dragon. Oh, train. Oh, it's all go in here. It's all go. What we got in here? Singer. Oh, singer. Hello. You got. Oh. Do I look like I drink beer?
Crawling back to you.
I'll get the rest. What beer we got? Out of stock, out of stock. So just this one.
Spotify. Pwede mo i-search.
No. Yeah, I actually don't know what it is.
Find the song.
That'd be too strong.
I-search nyo lang lyrics on Spotify.
Mocktails.
Find your soundtrack on Spotify.
Oh, cocktails. Cocktails. Where are they? They've all walked off.
Siyempre gets namin. Lahat gusto
They've all
gumamit
walked off
ng aux. Pero
without me.
tama lang kagawan.
I'll drag them back.
Because with Spotify Premium,
We just go around here. Can we get out? So you have to pay her to get her.
No, I think it's the lentil. Lentil bread.
Oh, I think I rent one. All these food places look empty. Everybody's in there. Let's go and see Snow White. The Snow White, look. Very nice. The two-headed Loch Ness monster. I think that might be us. Hope you enjoyed that daytime and nighttime vlog of the Venice Mall in Manila. Goodbye.